Hey guys, uh, quick ramble to check in with y'all. Um, haven't had a good couple of days. Um, we'll start with the Steelers lost again today, and then Misty got a call saying that one of her family members has gotten ill, and there's that weighing of, do you go see that family member in the middle of a pandemic? Do you go across the country? You know, so we're weighing that right now. The thing that I feel most at liberty to talk to you guys about, it had me pissed off for 2 days, and if it weren't for other things that were also bad, pissing me off, it would still be living rent free in my mind right now. My truck was broken into, and this happened uh, 2 nights ago. So they broke into the truck. They stole Misty's tripod and her tripod head, which was a ball joint head with a trigger handle to it. It was a Manfrotto. And the total of the gear that they stole was, $400 or $500. Um, they didn't steal everything out of the truck, but they rifled through it. They opened the glove compartment. They tossed the back seats and all the stuff that was back there, and they stole her tripod, the whole bag. Not the camera, but the tripod gear. And so Misty checked the ring camera because the truck was parked right in view of it, and we saw something strange on the footage. The people that robbed my truck, they pulled up, and as they were slowing down to the truck, the lights on the truck flashed. They got out of their truck on the passenger side, and then were in the driver's side of my truck in an instant. And what we realized was they have a device that will open my truck because the truck was locked. They either have like a key that's matched to it, or they have some device that just scans and unlocks trucks. So, in addition to feeling violated, um, at the very least, I don't feel like it was my fault for leaving the truck unlocked. That Misty doesn't have her tripod. The tripod being a gift from me for one Christmas years ago, and then the Manfrotto head was a gift from me for her birthday a while back. We stopped at Denver Pro Photo, and it was there on sale. Now you can't find it for the price that we got it. It's like at least $50 more than what I paid for it when we bought it before. So, it's going to be expensive to replace this stuff. Um, but at the very least, I don't, have the guilt of it being my fault for leaving the truck unlocked. But for the first 10 minutes, that guilt had already set in, and it hasn't gone away. I don't feel like it's not my fault, you know. Um, damage is done as far as like the chemicals that swirl around in your brain when something like that happens. Like, holy shit, did I leave the truck unlocked? And then have my loved one's gifts get stolen, you know. But then when we found out that it wasn't me, that they have a key, an electronic key that'll open trucks, and they're probably just driving around looking for trucks to hit. I just feel a different kind of bad now. um, Violated, and it could happen again. So now, what we're doing is we are taking the battery terminal up, and then I put a plastic lid in between the terminal and the battery, and then shut the hood, and then manually lock it, and there's no way to unlock it with the key fob anymore because there's no power to the truck. And anytime we want to go somewhere, we have to manually rehook the battery together, and we're waiting on the delivery of a kill switch so I don't have to keep on prying the battery terminal up each time we want to park the truck. But that's what these people have stolen from us, is the sense of security that we can lock our truck and have something inside of it. Because what's stopping them from making another pass? You know, they probably record somewhere the trucks that they've hit that it worked, and they just make a second and third pass. Maybe wait a month to, you know, where people's guard goes down again. Make another pass to see if you can find those same vehicles unlocked. So we called the police, and also on Nextdoor and on the Ring app, there are reports of the same vehicle breaking into other things. And the police were surprised that they didn't steal the whole truck. So, not only do I feel violated, I have that extra step of having to connect the battery every time I want to use my truck, you know. And you couldn't even trust if your truck was parked in a garage, because there are people with garage door scanners that are going around stealing from people. 'Tis the season, I suppose. And then, cherry on top of this shit Sunday, Misty's flipping through the Ring footage on her camera, and sometime like 2 in the morning, someone was walking down our street and just decided to check our mailbox to see if something was in it, and then kept walking. And on the Ring camera footage, you could hear the creaking open of the little door on our mailbox. Now, our mailbox has it's a locked mailbox where you can open that thing and put mail in, then it gets dumped in, and you can't, you know, get in to it. And I don't think any mail was stolen, and everything I've ordered has been delivered safely. But just to see someone just walk by and just, you got any mail? Same night. They're out in force. Porch pirates. I watched the third iteration of Mark Rober's glitter bombs that he's been sending to porch pirates, and I approve, because I feel very violated. And, yeah. That's my mood right now.